X Factor, midnight noises which left contestants terrified turn out to be Lloyd Macey. They complained about hearing someone wandering around the mansion where they are staying and making moaning noises in a strange language. However, after further investigation, it turned out that the spook was actually TV finalist Lloyd Macey. The Welsh lad has a habit of sleepwalking at night. And he also talks in his sleep and recites Welsh poems. A source said, "Some of the girls were left terrified that there was a presence in the X Factor mansion after hearing footsteps and moaning noises. They were too scared to get out of bed and look. Some of the girls were left terrified that there was a presence in the X Factor mansion after hearing footsteps and moaning noises inside." Source they told the producers, and the following night, one of the lads heard the same noises, and when he went to see what it was, it turned out to be Lloyd. Saturday's ITV show got 5.7 million viewers. Wild card singer Leon Mallet was given the chop. Last night mum of three Tracy Leanne Jefford got the boot. Simon Cowell's boy band Raksu are the new bookies' favourites to win the contest.